Bengi mar Equity ne ochiwo kony mag sponsorship ne jopuonjre maromo 131 mane otimo penj mar klas 8 kendo kalo penj e kaunti ma Kisumu. Benginoero ma osebedo ka chiwo kony makamano ne jopuonjre ma okalo klas 8 mawuok e familia Mochando notimo mano e tielo machielo e kaunti ma Kisumu. Kolose kar tiegruok ma Mboya Labour College, CEO mar Equity James Mwangi ne opako ahinya jopuonjrego kuom tiyo matek kendo kalo penj, ka ojiwogi mondo gidhi nyime kod somo motegno. Ma e kaka James Mwangi ne oloso.
We all know that the responsibility of educating the world and putting up an educated workforce is a matter for the government. Despite this fact, Equity Bank and other like-minded partners have come on board to support this critical function of government. Equity Bank is playing a very critical role in developing a skilled workforce that is market ready by taking up this primary responsibility. We cannot underestimate the important role played by the bank and other partners in ensuring that bright and needy students get an opportunity to further their dreams by offering them access to quality education that will change the community, not just in Kisumu, but in the whole country, not just in the whole country, but in the world at large. In other words, Nelson Mandela did say, education is the most powerful weapon with which you can use, which you can use to change the world.
Teacher or assisted to fill the application by a teacher. Truly, teaching is a noble profession. And I really move my heart to the teachers, because you can see it is not about classwork. They have the spirit of goodness and kindness, and their job doesn't stop at the door of the class. They follow their students to see how they perform. Kindly, once again, put your hearts together to recognize the teachers. I truly believe that CRAB will inspire the principals who we were shown earlier on. As they receive you on 2nd of August, they will know you appreciate gestures of those. And the journey of support will continue the way you have been really supported. But let me say, would not be 131 in this room. Like usual, we could have been between 20 and at most 30, because that's what Wings to Fly could afford in every region. But 7 years ago, because since 2008, the President of the Republic of Kenya has always commissioned the Wings to Fly program. And I kept from year one, when it was President Kibaki, I kept on pestering him. And he tried to move a motion in Parliament, which never went through, where the government could have put more resources through the CDFs, but in a joint effort of Wings to Fly. But 7 years ago, the government made a major breakthrough because of the pestering. Because I kept on asking His Excellency the President, and particularly President Uhuru,